In this video, we will explore the responsive variables in the Shadcn Studio Figma UI Kit. Opening the Variables panel and switching to the Responsive collection. Here you can see variables covering screen size, padding, font size, line height, section spacing, block width, and more, all defined separately for web, tablet, and mobile. Now attaching these variables to a block and switching between desktop, tablet, and mobile from the Appearance section. The layout adapts instantly for each screen size. To customize the screen size, simply update the block width variable value. And as you can see, the change reflects instantly across the entire design. That is how the responsive variables in Shadcn Studio give you full control over multi-screen design.